Hello, ladies, and welcome to our today. Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today is our first style video of the stunning collection that we unboxed yesterday from Ozai N Ku.
Welcome, lovelies. Summer Ozai N Ku is here, and it is fabulous. So we have had so much fun styling these pieces.
Look how colorful I am.
I know. It's so not you, but it is so nice.
I know, isn't it beautiful?
Summer and
it does. It's so fresh and fun and colorful.
It's amazing. Oh, and look at your shoes. Wow. Yeah, they're beautiful.
Ladies, ladies, ladies. We have to tell you a story today.
Yeah, that's right.
We went with our dear friends, Kira and Kate, mother and daughter, good friends of ours. We often do fun things together.
The four of us.
We thought we have to take them to Strut in Fonthill.
They had never been.
They're new to the area. They moved here from Toronto a few years ago. So we went to go visit Tanya, and I had tried these on in the fall when I bought my other cutie leopard booties from her, and they happened to be there again, and it was meant to be. Yeah. I hemmed and hawed because they're not black, but I am so happy I bought them.
You loved them, eh?
Yes. And look I even got my nails done to match them.
I love it.
I'm so happy.
Look at your bracelets and your earrings, everything.
Fun, eh? Yeah, colors coming into my world.
So nice. Yes. What is happening?
I don't know.
But you still have your black skirt.
I still have my black skirt, and I was going to pick the black top to style it.
Yeah.
Because how smashing would this?
Yeah. Drama.
Look at amazing, right?
Amazing, yeah.
But I decided to go with the white to be different. But
fun.
let's talk about your smashing outfit.
You know, I feel a little bit like what was that musical with John Travolta and Olivia Newton-John?
Grease.
Like I feel like Rizzo.
Yeah, cool.
With this little shirt with the cap sleeves.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's such a great style, hey?
It's a great style. The way it's cut is so unique with this crinkled fabric here, little patches, and love the color up. And then the jeans, what a unique design.
So cool.
So cool.
Yeah, very cool. Ozai N Ku always has the coolest pants.
With, and this would be beautiful too over this.
I know. Well, this is it. We're going to show you some pictures,
stitching.
Ladies, because you can really intermingle these pieces together so beautifully. But show more of the shirt, Mom. Like on the side, it's a high-low, ladies, and it's got such a great drape here. And just this detail of this other fabric. You can pair it up with these pants, Mom.
Oh my, yeah.
Right?
Look at that.
Same fabric.
Oh, fantastic.
And then I have on the skirt, which is like a pencil skirt.
I love that
slit
skirt.
in the back.
Look at this.
And it's really high-waisted, ladies. It's really nice. I have the
small
on. It's fitting quite small, so you might want to go up a size. I'll probably go up to a medium.
Yeah.
It's fabulous. And this shirt, the satin details.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Yeah, that is in black as well. And then I think we should just do a little style change and show you another combo.
A little changeroo.
Changeroo, shall we?
Let's.
Okay, ladies, denim, denim, denim.
Denim days are here.
Denim days are here, and I love denim. Don't you love denim?
I love denim.
It feels amazing.
And this is so creative with denim.
I love that.
Ozai N Ku. You love this? I love it.
They're so creative, right? They've mixed all these fabrics, beautiful fabrics mixed together.
Beautiful.
I absolutely love that piece.
This piece.
It's gorgeous.
Great.
What a statement piece that is.
Honest to God.
And look at the back yoke. You should show the lovelies. Look at.
Really?
Oh, yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And crunched and comes in, and then the scallops,
and the
edges.
Sleeves and a great cuff, and it's fabulous.
It's a beautiful
this would
denim.
Look great too as a dress.
It would look fabulous. Yeah, we'll show it as a dress.
leggings, or
without. Yeah, absolutely. And you know what, ladies, too, these pants, like we're gonna style those up two more to come.
Oh,
but
my goodness.
Look at that as well. So I had the skirt on. You can see the skirt too with the denim jacket. I'll show you that. Either this pencil skirt or those pants picks up the crinkle. Or then wear the dress on its own. I know.
Oh my.
Isn't it cute?
It is adorable.
It's the cutest little tunicky dress.
It's adorbsy.
And look at these little buttons here, Mom.
It's so cute.
Yeah. I know, the detail.
Oh my goodness. You know what? You could take this. Oh my goodness, you didn't notice yet. And then you can go like this. And then you look like a little schoolgirl. I love it.
Cute.
It's functional. That's amazing.
Yeah.
You know, all the details. Wow. And you can take this one off too. You can play
Crisscross them?
endlessly. Yeah.
Cool.
But for now, we just let them hang.
So beautiful pockets in this, ladies. The way that it's designed with this,
Gives you some room,
yeah, it gives you like a bubble almost here.
around the hips.
It feels amazing. This is a small as well. So some of the Ozai N Ku, you'll notice with the sizing, we've started at extra small or small. If we've started at a small, then to us, that's like an extra small.
Exactly.
So Lousje's in the small here, and I think it fits her perfectly. So we didn't go to extra small.
Meaning
so
it fits
means you got to maybe
smaller.
bump up a size.
Yeah.
But you'll see it online. And if you have any questions at all, please let us know. We're always here to answer your questions.
That's right.
And these pants are so great,
Yeah.
with the white shirt as well.
And this
so
too,
beautiful.
with a white t-shirt
You
or
could-
white tank top.
Yeah, because you
right?
pick up the top stitch in
Totally,
it, right?
totally.
So here's our first little capsule. Ooh, so fun to play with.
Yeah.
We have 2 more style videos to go, ladies.
Okay.
We hope you enjoyed how we styled these cuties up. And I think this would look lovely over this dress as well. I want to show you a picture of that just because of all the top stitch. And then if you want to have that dramatic look of the layering, it could be so beautiful together. All right, ladies, watch out for our exclusive live unboxing coming Monday, March 25th here in the boutique. We are inviting you lovelies to come and watch me and Lousje unbox a beautiful new collection that is just landing in the boutique for the first time. And Monday will be in the boutique here. We're going to have some exciting things going on, and you'll have this first sneak peek at it before it goes live at 4 o'clock that day. Let us know if you have any questions about that as well. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And
As always, keep on smiling.